Harvey, I reckon we've really got to sort out this Daniel
It's
situation.
under control. Don't worry about it. It's
Under control.
nothing.
He bit you yesterday.
No, that's in the past. Stop focusing on the past. We need to focus on the present.
Alright,
we need
fine.
to
Alright,
focus
alright,
on
fine.
the presents. And I would like to, just take a second to check in on how our fam and fans were doing.
Yeah, that's a good point. Look, from us, of Science and Swords, we will just want to say we really enjoy making these videos all month. It's coming up on Christmas now. We've got about 7 days until this is all said and done. And we just really want to thank you for joining us in our Dicemess opening. We want to wish you a very Merry Christmas from our little store to you. And, we want to keep making these videos, so I hope you join us for the future.
So, here we are, day 18. Let's pop it open. I don't understand why you have such a problem with this.
I don't know, maybe I'm opening it wrong.
Hey!
How's the druid say?
DA! Alright, bring out the map.
Bringing out the map. And getting the jingly.
They got a nice Christmas jingle, those ones,
They
don't
do have a nice Christmas jingle.
5. I ain't that lucky with these rolls.
Hey, look, it's better than nothing, so.
Anyway,
I've rolled ones like the past 3 times I've rolled dice, so,
Yeah.
it could be worse.
well, wish you guys Merry Dicemass. Come on, let's go.
Merry Dicemass, everybody.
I got the Daniel thing just totally under control.
Harvey, I thought you said you had the Daniel situation handled. He's shuffling down the street.
Nah, it's alright.
Oh, for God's